Google just gave every solo operator 2 free tools that, when you wire them together correctly, build a custom AI assistant that writes in your exact voice, references only your actual documents, and never invents a stat that isn't in the source material. I'm talking about Google's Gemini Gems and NotebookLM. And the way these 2 tools work together is something most people are completely overlooking right now. By the end of this video, I'm also going to hand you the specific NotebookLM prompt that turns a raw research brief into something you can give a client without reformatting it first. Most people build the whole system and the output still needs cleanup before it's usable. That one prompt eliminates it. Stay with me on that. Hey, Paul James here. If you're new, this channel is about building real income with AI tools without paying a subscription tax to do it. Let me show you. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the thing, Go High Level is $297 a month. It covers conversation AI, email automation, content tools, a broad platform with a broad price tag, and it gets pushed constantly in this space. Honestly, the software that gets recommended loudest in most agency programs tends to have the biggest commission behind it. Worth knowing before you hand over your card. For someone who hasn't made their first dollar yet, that monthly bill hits before any invoice does. I know what that pressure feels like. I was building something out of my brother's garage. No clients, no budget, no margin for a $300 monthly overhead before the first project came in. Google's Gemini Gems and NotebookLM are exactly what I wish had existed back then. Free, stackable, capable. What I'm building today is what I call the dual lock system. 2 free Google tools working in sequence so that one layer handles accuracy and one handles consistency. NotebookLM locks every response to your actual uploaded source documents. Nothing invented, every claim traceable back to a real file. Gemini Gems locks every response to a fixed behavior, your voice, your format, your rules, permanently, across every conversation you have with it. Neither tool alone closes the full problem. Together, they do. Start with Gemini Gem. Head to Gemini, find the Gem section in the left sidebar, and create a new gem. 3 fields open up: name, description, and instructions. The description is just a label for yourself. The instructions field is where the actual behavior gets defined. And this is where most people lose the system entirely. Here's where things get wild. A vague instruction set, a few lines about tone and task, produces a gem that sounds right for a week before it starts drifting into generic output. The fix is what I call the 4-layer lock. Layer 1 is the persona, not a job title, but the exact communication style, the values it reflects, the phrases it would never use. Layer 2 is the assignment, the specific deliverable you want every single time, 0 ambiguity. Layer 3 is the constraints, word limits, prohibited phrases, tone rules, and crucially, what to do when a request falls outside the defined scope. Layer 4 is the format, the precise structure every output follows. Lock all 4 in before you save. Your 50th conversation performs at the same level as your first. Now, NotebookLM enters the stack, and this is the piece most people miss entirely. Create a new notebook, upload your source documents, client FAQs, policy files, case studies, service descriptions, competitor research. Go to the studio panel, hit create my own report, and describe what you need compiled. NotebookLM reads every file, organizes the findings, and tags every claim back to the specific source document it came from. Nothing gets invented. Nothing gets paraphrased past the point of accuracy. You can verify any line before it goes near a client. Save the report to Google Drive, open a Google Doc, click the Gemini icon, turn on Drive Search, select your gem, and point it at the report. Locked behavior, verified documents. The dual lock system running at full capacity. Think about what that means for someone running a custom knowledge-based service. A dental practice has 3 front desk staff giving patients different answers every single week. Insurance questions, cancellation windows, rescheduling policy. You upload their documentation into NotebookLM, compile a clean verified reference, and build a gem the whole team accesses from one shared link. Every response grounded in the same source. Every answer consistent, regardless of who sends it. That kind of setup used to require expensive help desk software or a custom development project. With this stack, it takes an afternoon and it costs nothing to run. That's a $500 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Now here's where this gets actually useful for someone running real client work. Most people take what I just showed you and go build a gem immediately. That's the right move. But there's one line inside layer 3 of your instructions that almost nobody adds. And it's the exact reason gems start falling apart in week 2 when a real client sends something slightly off script. Without that line, the gem guesses instead of pausing. I'm walking you through it right now in the money section. Give me 60 seconds. Actually, let me reframe this. It's not just a fix. It's the difference between a system that holds up in a real client environment and one that embarrasses you the first time something unexpected lands. Let me show you 3 services you can sell with this stack starting today. First, custom knowledge bases. Think about a property management company with a 4-person team giving tenants inconsistent answers every week, late fee policy, maintenance response windows, lease renewal terms, different answer depending on who picks up the phone. You take their existing documentation, lease agreements, FAQ content, policy guides, upload everything into NotebookLM. Generate a clean, structured reference file, and build a Gemini Gem the whole team accesses through a shared link. Here's the constraint line from Layer 3. If this request falls outside my defined task, ask one clarifying question before responding. That one line stops the gem from guessing when a tenant's question falls outside the standard FAQ scope. Setup fee of $300 to $500. Monthly retainer of $150 to keep the knowledge base current as policies change. Build time, half a day. Think about what the client is actually getting, the consistency they'd normally pay a full-time admin to maintain, delivered through a free tool you built in an afternoon. High Level has a conversation AI feature, but it's locked behind the full platform price and still requires manual source configuration. This version runs on free tools and takes 1 session to build. Second, email marketing. A local HVAC company sitting on 350 past customers with 0 consistent follow-up system in place. You build a Gemini Gem with their brand voice locked across all 4 layers. You use NotebookLM to verify seasonal campaign angles against their real service documentation. You deliver a monthly email sequence that reads like it came from inside the business, not a generic template. $250 a month, 0 tool cost, and because the gem holds the voice permanently, you can produce next month's sequence in a fraction of the time it took the first one. Third, social media content creation. A chiropractor, an independent mortgage broker, a local gym owner, none of them have the bandwidth to think about content strategy on top of running their actual business. You build a gem trained on their voice and service focus, use NotebookLM to ground every post in verified details from their own documentation, and deliver a ready-to-publish month of content in a single afternoon. The content reads like it came from someone inside the business, because effectively, it does. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me make this concrete. A freelancer, no agency, no team, landed a client last month. A real estate office, 3 agents each giving prospects slightly different versions of the commission structure, the listing timeline, and the offer process. She uploaded their internal policy notes, FAQ document, and a 2-page brand voice guide into NotebookLM, generated a clean reference from the studio panel, built a gem with the 4-layer lock in place, including that constraint line in layer 3, and shared it with all 3 agents. From that point forward, every client response was grounded in the same verified documentation and delivered in the same voice, regardless of which agent handled it. Setup fee. Monthly retainer to update the knowledge base as policies change. 6 weeks ago, she had nothing like this. Here's where it all clicks together. That's the dual lock system working exactly as it should in the real world. Okay, I promised you the NotebookLM report prompt at the start of this video. Here it is. Most people go to the studio panel and write something like, summarize these documents. What comes back is a structured wall of text. Useful internally, but not something you'd hand to a client without significant cleanup. The prompt format that changes that. Compile the key findings from these documents organized by topic. For each topic, include 1 supporting data point, the document it came from, and 1 sentence explaining what it means for a local service business. That structure produces a brief a client can actually read. Every finding sourced, every insight framed. It's the difference between an internal reference file and a professional deliverable. That's what I promised at the top. Now you've got it. Picture what your next 30 days look like with the dual lock system running in your stack. A verified knowledge base sitting behind every client you work with. A gem holding the right behavior across every deliverable type you produce. Every output grounded in real documentation, written in the right voice, and ready to hand over without a rewrite. You're not starting from scratch on every project. You're running a system. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. The stack is free, the system is right here. Now go build it.